Today's golden trading rule is always and only trade high volume stocks. Now, a lot of you may wonder, like, why only trade high volume stocks? So what's the secret behind that? I want to just trade small stocks too. Now, there are two reasons for this, and I could make an entire presentation and talk to you for 30 minutes, but this is like a small snippet of this point. So if you trade low volume stocks, two things can happen. You will find it very hard to get off the trade or get into the trade. So that's one big drawback. And the reason why it would take you so long to get in and get out of the trade is if there are only, say, 1,000 shares or stocks traded in a particular day, there's only 1,000 people that are ready to sell or buy that stock. Now that gives you very limited options in how much you could offload if you bought, say, 10,000 stocks of that particular company. Now I've known of examples where it has taken people months to actually get rid of a stock because they've actually purchased almost the entire volume for a year of a stock, because these were high frequency and high volume traders, but they purchased the wrong stock. So keep that in mind. The second reason is that once you buy the stock, the fill rates, or what you could call it, the bid and the ask, is so wide apart because it's just 1,000 people. They can demand a price that they would like the stock to go for. So it would not really give you a good fill, and you would be overpaying or underpaying for a stock. So that's another the bad reason why I would recommend not trading low volume stocks. Now, the golden rule would be anywhere from 200,000 to 500,000 and above. So it could be I'm sure the stocks volume is in the millions for a lot of the good high volume capital stocks. But I would say the general rule, any for the mid cap stocks, especially 200,000 to 500,000 is good enough, unless you're a professional trader and really would be trading 200,000 by yourself. Then you have to go to a higher bracket. But I think for the average trader, that's something that I personally use as well. And I hope this was helpful for you. Do add it as a filter if you're screening for stocks or doing anything stock related, because that'll help you make more better decisions on stock picking. So I hope this is helpful, and stay tuned for another video, and do press the like button if you found this helpful as well. It'll benefit a lot of other people that are also making this mistake.